I think we need to talk about the simple past.
Sounds simple.
No, I mean the simple past tense versus the past perfect tense.
Perfect. Or is that simple? Actually, it sounds complicated.
Not really. Most of the time when we're talking about events in the past, we only need the simple past tense.
Oh, that does sound simple. I could say, William Shakespeare wrote Hamlet somewhere between 1599 and 1601. Or, that elephant stole my ice cream.
Right. Part of the problem is that some of our students have been writing in the past perfect when they should be writing in the simple past.
So, not perfect.
Right. The past perfect uses the helper verb had to help a writer or speaker order two or more events in the past.
Not following.
Look at the screen. The first sentence is fine, but take a look at the other two. William Shakespeare had wrote Hamlet somewhere between 1599 and 1601, or William Shakespeare had written Hamlet somewhere between 1599 and 1601. Get it off the screen. It's giving me apoplexy just looking at it.
I get it. So, that elephant stole my ice cream is fine, but if I say had stolen or had stole, then it just doesn't work.
Exactly. Now let's talk about when you can use had. Remember what Freud said about the death of Shakespeare's father and the influence it had on the writing of Hamlet?
Sure, Freud said that because Shakespeare's father had recently died, this affected his choice of subject matter when he sat down and wrote a tragedy about a son dealing with a father's death. Oh, I see what you mean. Like, that elephant was in trouble even before it stole my ice cream. It had already smashed into a police car, insulted the mayor's husband, and stuck its tongue out at Darth Vader.
Right. The use of had in those sentences helps to order the events of the past.
So, what's the problem?
Some of our students are overusing had and thus using the past perfect tense when they only need the simple past.
So, the simple way to check is to ask,
Am I talking or implying something about more than one event in the past? If so, I may need had. If not, if I'm really just talking about one event in the past or not consciously ordering events in the past, then I don't need had.
sounds like this would be a good time to talk about Control F.
That's right. Anyone who would like to make sure that they're not overusing the past perfect tense should use this quick tip before printing out or submitting any written work.
Just press Control F on your keyboard. That brings up the Find or Search dialog box.
Type had and look for every single instance of that word in your paper.
And for each one, just make sure that that's what you want. Sometimes you just want the simple past. And if so, then just make it simple.
And stay clear of elephants.
Those suckers steal mad ice cream, fam.
Don't say fam.
But it's cool.
Not when you say it.